Somewhere in the universe, right now, something is consuming everything around it: light, time, space itself. And once anything crosses its edge, it never comes back. Not a comet, not a star, not even a signal. Nothing. We call it a black hole, but that name, that simple, innocent name, does nothing to prepare you for what it actually is. Because a black hole isn't just a place in space, it's a place where the laws of physics break down entirely. And here's what terrifies scientists the most. We still don't know what's on the other side. For centuries, the universe looked manageable. We mapped the stars. We named the constellations. We told ourselves we understood the cosmos. Then we found the void. In certain regions of space, gravity becomes so extreme that nothing, absolutely nothing, can escape. Not even light. The fastest thing in existence. There are regions of the universe that are completely, utterly invisible. And yet, they are some of the most powerful forces ever discovered. Black holes sit at the center of nearly every galaxy we've ever found, including ours. Right now, at the heart of the Milky Way, a black hole 4 million times the mass of our sun is quietly waiting. Its name is Sagittarius, a star, and it has been there since before humanity existed. In 1915, Albert Einstein changed everything. His theory of general relativity predicted that massive objects could warp the fabric of space and time, but even Einstein didn't fully believe what his own equations were suggesting. They were suggesting that space itself could collapse. Decades later, astronomer John Wheeler gave these cosmic giants their name, black holes. And then in 2019, something extraordinary happened. For the first time in human history, we saw one. A global network of telescopes locked onto a galaxy 55 million light years away. And there it was, a glowing ring of fire, a shadow at its center, pure darkness, surrounded by the light of a dying world. It was terrifying. It was beautiful. It was real. So what actually is a black hole? Think of space as a stretched fabric like a trampoline. Place a heavy object on it and it bends. Now imagine an object so heavy that it punches straight through. That's a black hole, a tear in the fabric of the universe. At its boundary sits the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross it and you are gone. Not dead, not destroyed, just gone from our universe forever. And at its very center, a singularity, an infinitely small, infinitely dense point where all matter is crushed into nothing, and where our understanding of physics simply stops working. Our equations produce errors. Our models break. The universe, it seems, has a secret it refuses to share. Here's where it gets personal. If you were falling into a black hole, you wouldn't feel it immediately. In fact, from your perspective, everything might seem normal at first. But then something changed. As you cross the event horizon, time itself begins to distort. To an observer watching from a safe distance, you appear to slow down, freeze, and gradually fade away. You are frozen in time, forever, on the edge of the void. But from your perspective, you cross the threshold in an instant, and then gravity begins to pull differently on every atom of your body, stretching you. Scientists call it spaghettification. Yes, that is the actual term. Your body is pulled apart, atom by atom, like cosmic pasta, and then nothing. No signal, no escape, no return. But black holes may not just be destroyers. Some physicists believe they could be gateways. The theory of wormholes, tunnels connecting 2 points in space, suggests that black holes might be one end of a cosmic bridge to somewhere else entirely. Another galaxy, another dimension, perhaps even another universe. Stephen Hawking proposed that black holes slowly leak energy over billions of years, what we now call Hawking radiation. If true, black holes don't last forever. They evaporate, and when they do, where does everything they consumed go? No one knows, not yet. But the answer could rewrite everything we think we understand about reality. And we have mapped galaxies billions of light years away. We have split the atom. We have walked on the moon. And yet at the center of a black hole, we are completely, utterly lost. Perhaps that is what black holes truly are. Not monsters, not gateways, but mirrors, reflections of the limit of human knowledge. Reminders that no matter how far we reach, the universe will always hold something we cannot touch. So here's the question that will keep you awake tonight. If nothing that enters a black hole can ever leave, then somewhere out there in the darkness between galaxies, is information being erased from existence forever? Or is it simply waiting?